guys, I'm Brooke. I'm gonna walk you through a 10-minute standing Pilates. So come on off your desk and let's do this. So we're just gonna warm up. You're gonna step out to the side and take a deep breath up and exhale. And again, up. This is only 10 minutes. We're gonna get those joints warmed up, get your abdominals working, get your legs and arms working. And last time, good job. We're gonna open up your hips. So just take your knee up and around to the back, nice and easy. Good. Each side. Okay, so you're gonna take one leg out in front, keep your hips level, and you're just gonna lift that leg straight up and down. So you wanna keep your hips down, you don't wanna lift them up. Keep your waist long. That's it. You can point or flex your foot. Good. Four more. 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Other leg. So your legs are parallel. The leg comes out. The new leg goes out to the front. Knee is straight and lift. You're working your quadricep big time. That's it. Don't worry about the height. Good. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Back to the first leg. It's going to stay up and bend and stretch. So lift the leg, bend and stretch. You can decide if you want to tap the inside of your knee or down to your ankle, whatever it feels comfortable. Find your balance. You're going to notice your standing leg is working hard. Abdominals are in. That's it. Your standing leg is balancing. 2 more. That's it. And switch legs. You're also going to notice which leg is better balancing. Good. Long waist, back of your neck is long. Good. Stretch that leg long, both legs are long. If you need to hold on to a chair, do that, or the wall. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. The next one is your leg is going to go back, and you're just going to kick it up. Straight leg, balance, kick it up. So it's slightly turned out, it's not parallel, and it's not completely turned out, but slightly turned out, like your legs are in a V. And just kick it up. 2, 3, 4, working the glutes and the balance. That's it. Hips stay forward. Oop, just kick the wall. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And switch sides so you don't kick the wall. Leg is back. Here we go. Lift. 2, 3. That's it. Again. Abdominals are in. Hips face forward. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Last one here. You've got your legs slightly turned out. Leg comes behind. Just going to kick your bottom. Feel the hamstrings working. Your gluteals are working. That's your butt. If you want to make it parallel, you can do that too, whichever feels best. I like it turned out. That's it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and switch sides. Also, that standing leg is working. It's balancing. Again, if you want to hold on to a chair or the wall, feel free to. Pull it in, straighten out. Pull, straighten. Good. Four more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Okay, now we're just gonna get the heart rate up, get you all moving. So you're gonna lunge back and pull that knee up. Arms come up. That's it. Balance. And last one, change sides. So you've got to use this other leg for balance. This gets your heart rate up, gets your breathing. Here we go. $17, $18, $19, and last one. Good job. We're gonna work on lengthening your waist. Arms come up, legs are slightly turned out, and you're gonna tip to the side and stand up. And tip and up. So you don't want to twist. You wanna make sure the abdominals are working. You're almost hugging your ears with your arms. Legs are stretched. Hips are facing forward. Feel long stretch in the side and abdominals, and those side muscles are working to straighten you back up. 2 more. And then the other side. So this is completely quiet. You're stretching over the side and bring it up. And breathe. You don't want to just work the arms, you're going to work the whole body. It's like your fingertips are attached to your tailbone, and the whole thing is sliding against the wall and bring it back up. You don't want to twist. Keep breathing. Two more. And last time. Good job. And bring your arms down. The next one is attach your elbows in front, your arms stretch forward, and you're just going to lift and lower. So as you do this, you don't want to arch your back. Keep those abdominals strong, lift and lower. You're going to feel all those upper back muscles working. You also don't want to lift your shoulders up. Drop the shoulders up as you lift your elbows up. Oh, my upper body's screaming. That's it. You're going to feel a lot of work here. That's it. 4, 3, 2. Good job. The next one, just go ahead and hug yourself, create a fist, and curl and stretch. Now, as you stretch, if your elbows need to separate, that's okay. Again, this is working all these underside of your arms and in your chest. You probably feel that. 6, 7, 8, that's it. 9, elbows are away from your body. That's it. 4 more, here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last thing we're gonna do. Take a wide stance. You're in second position or sumo squat. You're gonna slide your hips, pelvis straight down. So you don't wanna arch in the back. Slide it straight down and hold it there. Little pulse. So you wanna feel length in your waist, length in the back, not arched, tuck it in. Feel your abdominals working. Take a deep breath. And exhale. And again, inhale. And exhale. And this time you're just going to hold it down. Inhale up. And exhale. And stretch all the way up. Arms together, legs come together. And stretch over to the side. And inhale. And other side. And exhale and have yourself the best day ever. My name is Brooke. I will be here Tuesdays and Thursdays. Either watch it on this channel or come over to my YouTube and watch it there. All the best to you.